everyone! Welcome back to BotB. Today I'm going to show you how to set up WhatsApp flow form in BotB and use it in a fully functioning chatbot that any real estate agency can use for their customer support well. Basically, this video is going to be in two parts. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to set up WhatsApp flow form in BotB, and secondly, I'm going to create a complete chatbot integrating WhatsApp flow form in it for a real estate agency. Well, let's get started. First, go to Bot Manager, and then select Bot Account, and then select WhatsApp Flows. You can see two options: Sync and Create button. Well, sync means if you have any previous WhatsApp form created by WhatsApp API, then clicking on the sync button will synchronize that form with your BotB account. So I'm going to create a new form directly from here, so click on the Create button, and as you can see, this is the WhatsApp flow form page. Here you can make any type of form you want for your business. Since we took real estate business as an example, I'm going to make an appointment form for real estate businesses. Give a unique name for flow. Select flow category as appointment booking. Can choose any other options depending on which type of form you're going to make. Now give a unique screen name. This should not contain any space, numbers, or any special character in it. So I'm going to write same thing in small letters. Next, give a form title. After that, select your bot reply that your customers or your users will get after they submit the form. You can make the bot from your Bot Manager page, or you can directly create it from over here. Just click on Add button, and over here, it will take you to a visual flow builder. Double-click on Start Barred Flow. Don't need to set any trigger keyword, just set a title. I'm going to write, since it's the final reply that your customers or users will get when they submit the form. Drag the text component, and write the final reply message. Save the bot. Then go to WhatsApp Flow. Click Refresh. And then select your bot reply. This is the main form creation section. Here you can drag elements to the blank dashboard and customize it for your form, so drag the header element to the blank dashboard, double-click on the element, or click on the Edit option here to customize the header element. In the label, write the header of your form. Then drag the text field to get the name. Help text means just a guidance for the question, like what to answer for the question. Similarly, do the same thing for phone number and email ID. Now we need to get the address. For that, we are going to use text area element. Next, profession details. Next, ask for the budget. Budget meaning what is the budget for the property that he's going to buy or going to sell. So write budget. Next, use radio buttons to get the number of bedrooms details. Next, use radio buttons to get the number of washrooms details. Finally, I am going to add Submit button. Then click Save. Now click on Action buttons here, and you'll see some more options over here. So first, you'll see Add Webhook. You can use this option to connect your WhatsApp form to your website or any other platforms that you want, so click on it, and here you can input the link too. your website, or any other third-party applications that you want to connect. And save it. Next, there's Report Data option. You can use this option to check all the data you collected from your customers. Next, you can see Preview option. You can check how your form look on your phone screen over here, so click it, select this preview flow, and here you can see everything that you created just now, the form. Next, there's Publish option. Be careful before you publish it. Because once you publish the form, you cannot edit or do anything, because WhatsApp doesn't allow it, so be careful before you publish the form. After that, you can see the Edit option and the Delete option. Now that your form is ready, you can use it in any other bot to create. Then go to Bot Reply and then select Create button. It will redirect to the Visual Flow Builder. I'm going to make a complete bot, from start to finish, showing you how you can also easily create your own chatbot for your business. Watch it carefully. Now we have to select the WhatsApp flow form. Make sure before selecting, you publish the form. Then click Save. Similarly, do all things for other two buttons. Now select the Sale Property button. Save the bot. Let's test. Done. So as you can see, our form works perfectly. You can use WhatsApp Flow form to collect customers' data and increase your sales to it. Here I just showed you how to make a simple form in WhatsApp Flows, but you can customize more complex forms as you like for your business needs. So after your customer filled the form, you can now access the data collected from the Report Data option in WhatsApp form by following these steps. First, go to WhatsApp Flow setting and tap on Action button. Select Report Data. This will open a window where you can see all the data that you collected. And then tap on Download Report. This will download an Excel file where all the data that you collected from your customers will be stored. This feature allows you to conveniently download and analyze the data collected through WhatsApp forms from your customers. Thank you for watching the video.